welcome to Coach Press Conference. We are here with our winning coach, Coach Peter Martin. Coach Peter, kanina sabi mo nga, kailangan ball movement and dominating the glass. And in the second half, the team grew much closer to the style that we wanted. A lot of the guys contributed, plus 25 of your rebounds came from ball. How important were those two factors, improve ball movement, winning the rebounding battle, and helping you secure your first win?
Well, we wanted to move the ball. The easiest way to move the ball is kapag fast break kami. Pinagsasamantalahan namin wala pa si Junmar. Kasi pagdating ni Junmar, babagal kami ng konti. Pero gusto namin nandito siya. Pero mukhang okay naman ginawa niya Robbie, 25 rebounds. It's like a regular average day of Junmar, so we'll take that. I think something else that we want also, we saw is the 29 assists. We're trying to change the culture. We're trying to reach sharing the ball. Of course, there will be times na hindi nila alam gagawin nila. Kanina nagagalit na nga ako kay Don kasi panira na, naghahanap pa ng papasahan, which is over naman, so sakto-sakto lang sa akin.
Thank you, Coach. We now open the floor for questions from our friends in the press.
Peter, congratulations. Kung nasulat ba si Coach Leo?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi. Si Coach Leo has been with us. Dapat pupunta siya today, actually. He was with us practice yesterday, the day before. Sumama lang ang pakandang nag-bloated siya. So last minute, mga 1 o'clock, tinawagan ako. Papunta na kami dito. Sabi, Coach Leo will rest daw. So, okay, no problem. Yung gusto naman niyang gawin, ginawa naman namin tonight. So, kay Coach Leo pa rin to. So, wala naman kami binago.
Coach, in second, assessment mo lang sa performance ni George and Jerry, mga bago nyo.
Medyo mahaba yata yung laro ni Jerry para sa akin, 38 minutes. So that's actually already a testament of how important he is to our team. Medyo inalat si Paolo kanina. So, diba, nandun naman yung opportunity to play always. So these two new guys, we're trying to make them fit in. And of course, with George King, I'm so happy with we're so happy with what we got. He's a leader. He has 7 assists. Tapos sa mga timeout, pag tignan mo yung timeout, more often than not, may sasabihin siyang positive, may ano siya sa amin. So he's the type of import that we want. If we can hold this until Coach Leo and of course si Junmar pa. So ang ganda ng chances namin this conference to be one of the top teams namin.
Rodney, congratulations din.
25.
Ay ba itong stat line mo? 10 points, 25 rebounds, 7 assists, 4 steals. Parang ay katang nasa Adamson ka, wala kang ganitong stat line.
Ayan, biro ko nga kanina, kailangan ko na lumabas sa mundo ng Alemo kasi wala si Junmar. So ano lang, ready lang ako palagi kung ano lang yung opportunity na binibigay sa akin, pinukuha ko lang naman. So nagkataon kasi na parang may opportunity na tumakbo, tapos nagkakaroon na. Ang sarap kasi pasaan yung mga teammates ko, like si Jeric, sobrang shooter. Pag pinasa mo, parang sure goal assist na eh. So credit din sa kanila siguro.
Coach, si Junmar ba, ano na yung extent ng injury niya, babalik na ba siya next game?
Hindi pa sure pero hoping tayo makabalik siya. Pero ang injury niya na hyperextension dun sa gilas. Nung kahapon, nung tinitignan nga namin, hinawakan ko siya, medyo ano pa talaga, hindi pampilit. Si Jericho nga, ang ganda ng nilaro, 2 practices pa lang yan kasi galing sa sakit yan. After Guam, lahat ng teammates niya nagkasakit sila. So we were really not expecting him to play and contribute much, pero daming ginawa eh. Tapang talaga ng bata, 20 points kagad. Two practices, 20 points kagad. Ganun katapang yun. So, napakita talaga.
3-0.
3-0.
Okay.
Trade nyo naman kasi.
Ha?
Trade nyo.
Fake news eh. Ikaw ba nagsulat doon? Ikaw talaga. Joke lang. Wala kaming... At saka ang masarap dito, wala naman over our pay grade yun. So wala kaming... Kung sino man isama sa amin. Laban lang. Trabaho lang.
Dahil sa
Tayo, thank you.